This, boys and girls, is why we don't buy Chrysler products.
The Jeep
For an intake exhaust manifold, I have to take out an engine mount, lower the engine, take off the valve cover gasket, and it still won't fucking come out.
And the Jeep officially grew a dick. It's a boy. Congrats, Mom. As Phil is jerking it off to get it off. He's just jerking it off, to get it off. And, it's
Now, if I could just get it
sitting there laughing.
Out, that would be great.
Getting it to come is the hard part.
Oh. I never thought a hand job would break my fingers. Fuck you. Can we just throw out the whole Jeep? Are we allowed to do that? Is that a thing? Do they replace them if you do that?
It's so hard to get it off.
Why can't people just buy normal cars? The exhaust manifold in that, 4 bolts, it comes out. What the fuck? Why would you put a catalytic
For
converter
a shorty,
directly
it's
to
so
a
hard to get it off.
Oh, can I get a oh yeah? Oh
yeah? There you go, jerk it off.
I'm gonna jerk you off with the pliers. No, I gotta get the tweezers out of the car to jerk you off, fool. Hold on, wait.
My head is hurting from this shit. Whee!